When these veterans retire out, you just don't forget war. There's triggers, the combat, the brotherhood, the sacrifice. You just don't forget it. There's a lot of stuff that comes up in a post-combat military veteran that service dogs can be very helpful in. You know, when we started the honor group, we just wanted to 100% give back to the men and women that have fought, bled, and died for our freedom. We had never given a service dog away on the East Coast. And so I just started thinking, wouldn't it be great if we could do this on the East Coast at Movement Mortgage corporate headquarters, and they could see what their donation is going towards. So when I heard Jason and his name was thrown out as one of the guys that we were vetting to get the dog, he just rose to the top. First of all, we're talking about a man that has served almost 23 years of service, has had 18 deployments, you know, Purple Heart recipient, medals for valor that showed the type of serviceman this guy was.
Let me just for a minute tell you what dogs like Lucky mean to me. So 3 specific instances. Dogs were killed in defense of me and my team. Military working dogs that we consider members of the force. And when they're lost, we feel that burden on our hearts. Just almost as much, if not as much as a man or a woman that we lost in combat.
This was just an amazing way of saying, you know, you're retiring out, and we want to bless you with something that we hope will give you and your family years of pleasure and love, protection, and help, you know, from the traumas of war that he still carries.
So there's no greater act of service than these men and women who agreed to do that. The freedoms that we enjoy, the fact that we get to come into work, the fact that we get to have the liberties that we have in this nation are due to the sacrifice and commitment of men and women just like you. And so it's our honor to get to celebrate that act of service. Love you guys. Thanks so much. Enjoy your new pup.
This is an amazing company. This is an amazing organization that you've paired up with. I can't thank you enough.
Thank you.
All of you and you guys. Come on, you make this all happen.
The employees of Movement are the background of all that. This is happening because of the donations of every single employee here at Movement Mortgage that has donated to purchase this service dog. Thank you. Thank you, Movement Mortgage. Thank you for everything that you've given, you've done to make this day happen. You guys did this, not us.